Hey everyone, welcome back to Secure 7, your ultimate destination for cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and more. I am Pars Virani, and today we are diving into the one of the most exciting way to sharpen your hacking skills with using the capture the flag and CTF challenges. Whether you are a beginner or experienced hacker, CTFs are the perfect way to learn and level up. In this video, I will guide you through some of the best platform for hacking challenges, include free, premium, and community-driven options. Let's dive into the capture the flag top platforms for the hackers. Before we jump into the platforms, let's we cover the basics. CTFs are the cybersecurity competitions where you solve challenges to find a flag, a secret code. These challenges simulate real-world hacking scenarios covering topics like cryptography, web exploitations, reverse engineering, and more. It's a fun and practical way to build the skills that are essentials for ethical hacking and cybersecurity. So now let's look at the top platforms to get started with CTFs. I have broken them down into the categories based on difficulty and accessibility. Which is first one is HackerOne. So this platform by HackerOne is an excellent starting point. It includes videos, tutorials, and challenges that replicate real-world bug bounty scenarios. Plus, you earn points that can translate into the private invites to bug bounty programs. Pretty cool, right? And I have the series of I have made a playlist of this HackerOne CTF. There are the 6 videos is here. You can just walk through for your guidance. Next is a PicoCTF. PicoCTF is a design for beginners and students. The challenges are gamified and easy to follow. Make it a fantastic place to start your CTF journey. So here is a PicoCTF is easy and simple to uh, starting your cybersecurity journey. So next we have a TryHackMe is a perfect for structured learning. They offer a guided rooms for beginners and advanced challenges for professionals. A lot of their content is free, but their premium plans unlocks even more amazing resources. Next we have a if you are ready for more advanced challenges, Hack the Box is for you. It's well known. It's for its realistic labs and active community. While the most of its premium they offer for a starting point called Pawn Box for beginners. Next we have a VulnHub. For offline practice, VulnHub is amazing. You can download vulnerable machines and practice hacking in your own control environment. I have personally done walkthroughs for many VulnHub machines on this channel. Check out those. Here is the playlist, which is I have take the challenge 100 machine, which is 28 videos is here. So you can go and check all the walkthroughs. Next we have a hack this site is a classic for a web exploitation web challenges. They focus on teaching how websites are vulnerable to attacks. Next we have a CTF challenge for a browse based task, which means no setup is needed. Just dive in and start the solving. Next we have a pen tester lab. This one is for professionals. Pen tester lab provides a hands-on and in-depth training on penetration testing. Their pro version unlocks a content of master your skills. Getting started with the CTFs can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. Here are my top tips. Start small. Choose beginner friendly platforms like PicoCTF and TryHackMe. Focus on learning, not just winning. Take your time and understand the solutions. Join the communities, forums, and Discord channels can help you to connect with like-minded learners. Practice regularly. Consistence of consistent effort is the key to improve your skills. So there you have it. The best platform. So there you have it. The best platform to start enhance your CTF journey. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Secure 7. For more cybersecurity content, turn on the bell icon to stay updated on our walkthroughs, tools, and guides. Until the next time, stay curious and stay secure.